Hello everyone. Ever dreamed of floating in space? Well, you're about to get as close as it gets without a rocket launch. Today, NASA is making history by broadcasting the first ever 3D live stream directly from the International Space Station. This isn't just a video. It's an immersive experience that puts you right inside the station with the astronauts. Let's talk about how you can watch this and the mind-blowing technology behind this incredible venture. First, let's understand what makes this 3D live stream so revolutionary compared to what we're used to. Normally, when we watch videos from space, they're in 2D flat images on a screen. But this 3D stream uses stereoscopic technology. NASA has installed a specialized camera system featuring two high-definition lenses spaced slightly apart, just like your eyes. This setup captures two slightly different angles simultaneously. When your brain combines these two images, you gain depth perception, allowing you to feel the actual distance between everything inside the station. It's the difference between looking at a postcard and standing in the room. So how do you tune in to this amazing experience? There are three main ways to enjoy this live stream, depending on your gear. If you own a VR headset like a MetaQuest or Apple Vision Pro, this is the gold standard. Use the NASA app or a VR-enabled browser to truly feel like you're floating in microgravity. Don't have a high-end headset? No problem. Even a simple Google Cardboard or any mobile VR viewer paired with your smartphone will give you that 3D depth effect. You can still watch on a regular laptop or tablet. While you won't get the pop-out 3D effect, NASA's player allows you to look around the station by tilting your phone or dragging your mouse. Now let's talk about the incredible engineering feat that makes this real-time stream possible from 250 miles above Earth. The real challenge wasn't just the cameras, it was the data. Streaming high-definition 3D video in real time requires a massive amount of bandwidth. NASA is utilizing the latest laser communications relay system. This is crucial for transmitting the huge data load. This technology uses infrared lasers to beam data back to Earth at speeds much faster than traditional radio waves, making this lag-free 3D experience possible for the first time in 2026. We are officially living in the future, where technology is bringing the universe closer than ever before. Space is no longer just something we look at. It's somewhere we can virtually be. This is a massive leap for space accessibility. Have you tried the 3D stream yet? Let me know in the comments what it felt like to float in the ISS. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for your daily dose of space and tech. I'll see you in the next one.